So, I kind of forgot to make this video. It was supposed to come up before my drum video. Well, basically, I'm gonna explain it really quickly. First of all, thanks for 1,000 subs. Very epic. The specials will be out soon. You know, I put in the voting polls. Do you want like the face review and the Arsenal video and the epic tutorial thing first, or the code SMG first? You guys voted SMG first, so I'm gonna make that first. It's probably come out next Monday. So yeah, and basically what I'm going to do from now on is a weekly upload. So I'm kind of going back to how I wanted the channel to go at first, and it's weekly uploads, and I'll upload anything basically, different kind of content, and basically I'm not gonna quit doing cardboard stuff. Except, I gun takes time. I upload like every 3 weeks. If I upload every week, that'll be pretty cool, and I'll upload different kinds of stuff every week. So what I'm planning is 1 week will be a drum video, 1 week will be either a shitpost, a meme, or random stuff, or like how-to tutorials, or just random stuff. And then another week will be a gun video. Specials don't really count. They will be uploaded whenever. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. You get more content, I guess. That's pretty cool. Basically, what I'm saying is there's more stuff for you to choose to watch from. And yeah, if you enjoy it, nice. If you don't, then just don't watch it. Because I still upload what I upload normally, except more videos every week. Again, thanks for 1,000 subs. Yeah. Let's go 1,000 subs. Yeah, bruh. Really grateful and happy, I guess. Yeah. Also, I might do streams. I might. I don't know. I'm gonna try someday probably, but I don't really know. Streaming is kind of hard because I have whatever. Yeah, my computers aren't good enough. Basically, that's what I'm saying. Or it just always has issues. I don't know why. Or probably no one will be watching. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye now. Bye.